Hey guys, today we're playing Snoring Elephant Puzzle. Today we're actually playing Snoring Elephant Puzzle. This is basically a kids video that animals that this is the animals that from kids show. These look like that. I remember when I was a little kid, I was watching these, and they're basically them. These are animals from the kids show. I'm gonna be interested, and these are the funniest and interesting games I just really played. And sorry I didn't make a video for so long. Ever, whatever. Okay, let's just click play. Also, if this is a daily. Okay, here are we. Okay, what do I do? Oh, I have to click the owl. Okay. Oh, it bounced over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did you see the elephant? It got a terrified face. Let's go on to the next level. Oh, owl and a pig? What happens? Look, he crazy? No, he's not crazy. Oh. Also, please like and subscribe and comment the video. Please, just please, don't lie. Comment. Just please comment. If I show my face, what do you think I look like? Please comment and I'll show my face. Any video, like 3 videos. Oh my gosh. Alright, now let's click play anyways. Alright, here's the owl and the zebra. What do I do? We have to click the zebra. Okay. Oh my gosh. He just got crazy when he just jumped over. And also, the zebra just always fell down, and also so as the pig and the elephant. That's funny. But I'm not laughing. What the heck? There's a cow. Okay, there's a cow. Let's press it. Oh, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Here we go. Okay. Kind of sick right now. Let's go. Next level. Oh, I have to click that. Oh, let's see what happens. Penguins and giraffes. Unlock new animals. Wow, the penguins are spinning. Oh my gosh, the giraffe. Do you see the giraffes? They died by knocked out. Oh my gosh, they knocked out and they died. That's gonna be painful. Don't do that. Owl and the pig and the zebra. I know what am I gonna do. There. I'm gonna beat this game right now. Look at me. What level I am? 8? Okay, I don't know. I just got the orange. I didn't know there was a orange. Okay, the giraffes are keep dying. Okay, let's go to the next level. Okay, zebra and the penguin sit on a tree. KISSIN. Oh my gosh, I forgot to. Hold on, let's try again. I forgot to do this. Look, I wasn't trying to say that, but look, I forgot to do that. But the cow, Let's try this again. Okay, let me just wake up the elephant again. Okay, this is chill. Here we go, the elephant. Okay, whatever. Zebra, sorry. Forgot. Oh my gosh. Wow, oh my god, the pig just literally shoot over on America. He just literally fly over at America. See? Oh my gosh. Let me just owls, 2 owls, let me click each other. Also, I'm not showing my face because you have to comment. If you don't comment, I won't show my face. If you do comment, I will show my face. You have to do 3 videos to comment. Any. Okay, let's go. Here we go. This is gonna be good. Also, the penguin literally flew over again and fall down. See, the next penguin got 5. Okay, I know what to do now. Here we go. Okay, that's easy. Okay, this is easy as hell. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh, 3 penguins spin over and I got crazy. What the heck? So good. Let's go get the zebra and the cow. Click 2 animals. Easy. Here we go. This is easy. How am I? How? This is not gonna be hard. Easy game. Two zebras, crazy, jumping over around. Why do they have a crazy face? That's kind of funny. Make another. Wait, oh my gosh, do you see that? And I can literally just go together. I almost catch the orange. You know what? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Get the cow. And then now let's go to the elephant and he dies. I keep choking away, see? I'm choking. Here we go. Oh no, I didn't catch the orange. What was I supposed to? Oh my gosh. Wait, I think I have to. Oh, wait, no, wait, no. Go over here. Yeah, yep. I do it. That's easy. Easiest thing. How's it hard? I think I always play hard games. My third video was kind of a weirder. My third video was kind of weird for Roblox and for Minecraft. My third video, I know you remember because you got my followers here. I saw followers for my videos, but you didn't comment. Comment, please. Here we go. Or wow, these animals are dying right now. They're dying. They're dying. I feel bad about these animals because they literally died and knocked out and just flew over here. Okay. I feel bad, geese. Oh yes. Also the elephant because he gets so scared with a terrified face. Okay, forget about that. Okay, easy. 3 giraffes are gonna be sick. Wait, let's go. Wow, this is so funny and I kind of feel bad. Oh my god, no way. One giraffe just literally fell down. It's up to penguin is fine. The penguin is fine, not that. No, wait. Let's do this. Wow. I like their new looks right now. They're new. Okay. You gotta look crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Took over his mask. Okay, what do I do? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Oh, wait. There's a hit? Oh. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. I restarted. Let's see. And then let's go down here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, this is easy. How is this hard? Easiest. Do you know I said daily? This is actually daily. I saw the text that has a picture of an elephant, not the one who's sleeping. Idea. I got an idea. The cow's like, I got an idea. Wow, that's cow's idea. Good job. The cow saved the penguin. Thank you. Okay. I'm making it. Oh wait, no. What did I just do? Wait, hold on. I just saw a player with it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and this is. Hold on. Okay, that's what I figured. This is what. You know what? Okay, let's go. Cow. At the Let's go. No, wait, wait. Oh yeah. Come on, get to the. Oh my gosh, I couldn't fit. Yeah, hold on. I just restarted. Got the kiwi and stand. Stand. No, wait, no, wait. What I just did. And then, okay, finally, perfect, perfect. I love the elephant just wearing a suit. Just wears a suit. I like their new looks. You know, they're like Stone Ages. They're like literally Stone Ages. Come on, or yeah. Perfect, perfect. What was that thing anyway? The second one. Why the cows keep getting crazier? Well, I was trying to see the second one. What was that? I missed. What is that thing? I forgot. How do I pick them? Wait, oh wait, there's a kiwi right now. There was literally a kiwi. There's not an orange anymore. There's a kiwi. And what was that forward thing? Anyway, hold on. What do I do? Oh, there's no. Wait, no, I think I got it. Wait, no, wait. This is what it. I forgot. Let's go. Try. Oh my gosh, it worked. Look, I told you it worked. You guys thought I was tricking, right? Well, no, I literally won. Okay, the cow is literally getting crazy right now. I mean, he's now crazy, like dumb or something. Let's go. Go. Oh, go, owl. The zebra. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do this. This is all. This is all my stuff right now. I didn't get the kiwi. Zebra, you didn't get the kiwi, Mr. Zebra. But they don't have names anymore. They don't have names. It's just a game with no names or something. Anyway, how do I do this? Okay, there it is. Please, let us do this. Good job. Awesome. Thank you for calling me awesome. Give me the kiwi. Oh, it was the watch. I saw it. The second one. I saw it was the watch. Okay, the second was what was the watch? Oh gosh, I didn't get the kiwi. That was frustrating. I didn't get the kiwi. Hold on. Let's go. Come on, cow. Yeah. Come on. Oh my gosh, the orange is actually wherever. No, I just said orange. I was trying to say pig. I failed. I didn't get the kiwi. What? Let me get the next level. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh my gosh, how do I get the kiwi? I can't get the. Wait a minute, the cow was trying to get the kiwi. Thank you, cow. Give me the kiwi. Thank you. I restarted it. Get the kiwi. Give me that. Give me the kiwi. Okay, I can't. The cow didn't get the kiwi. Oh, hold on. Wait. Wait. Hold on. Wait. This is fun. Oh, we fall down. Thank you. Okay, what? I did fall. Okay, wait, hold on. Give me the kiwi. Give me the kiwi. I didn't get the. What did I just do? Okay. Come on, give me the kiwi. I didn't get the kiwi. No, get the. What? I thought the cow was going to get the kiwi. I mean, but sorry, I mean the elephant. I just failed the word because I was saying. Oh my gosh, no. Give me. Oh my gosh. Sir. That's not good tips. Wait, what did I say? Wait, what did I just say? Oh my gosh! Oh wait, I have to go in there, but I didn't get the kiwi and the coins. Come on, zebra! I almost tried to wait. I thought penguin was trying to get the kiwi. Come on, let's go. How did I not to get the kiwi? Oh my gosh, my parents are keep yelling, bro. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Thank you. Shut the. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, my parents are keep yelling right now. I was trying to make a video, but they keep yelling and they forgot. I told him right now. Okay, let's go. Oh, pirates! Here we go. Okay, I don't know what to do right now. This pirate is sorry, maybe. Oh, there's a watermelon right now. I can see the watermelon. Oh my god.